what happened that the former prime minister's family, the opposition party right now, that is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, has denied for a detailed information regarding the former prime minister's health from the government and from the authorities. Do you think that the former prime minister's sister, Madam Alima Khan, has turned into a dictator recently, that she has plotted this entire prevention for the entire family of Imran Khan and the entire Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf to go and have a detailed information regarding his health, which was going to be proposed and put forth in the form of facts and figures by the governmental authorities, and particularly by the Interior Minister of Pakistan. In a recent press conference held, the Interior Minister of Pakistan has said that several proposals were proposed by the governmental and jail authorities regarding the health conditions and the extensive and detailed medical report for of the former prime minister, and was going to be proposed and put forth in the form of actual facts and figures to the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf workers and former prime minister's family. But on one hand, they called the current opposition leader and the chairperson of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, Mr. Gohar Ali Khan, to come and examine, or to ensure his own surveillance, his first-hand surveillance, when doctors are treating the former prime minister in the jail. But the in consent upon consensus with Alima Khan and the rest of former prime minister's family, Gohar Ali Khan had denied to come to jail and ensure his surveillance for the former prime minister's medical treatment. Mr. Gohar Ali Khan was called to the jail, to the Adiala jail, at 2:30 p.m. on last Sunday, and the authorities and the doctors who were there to treat the former prime minister waited for around 1.5 hour to start the treatment once he comes, but he absolutely denied. On the other hand, Alima Khan, along with and the entire family of former prime minister, has also said negative, or has also put forth a negative indication regarding the proposals made by the interior minister for the detailed medical report of the former minister. She labeled or termed them as distorted information, but the governmental authorities, the doctors, and the medical experts have said that there is no discrepancy whatsoever regarding these detailed examination that has been done of the former prime minister lately on Sunday. Moreover, the governmental and jail authorities have also ensured that the medical experts and doctors who were hired by the government to treat the former prime minister in jail, they also not only talked to the party workers of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, but also to the former prime ministers, two personal doctors or medical experts in this regard, and they have talked for 45 minutes each, and have ensured that each and every discrepancy is rooted out, and there is no room for any suspicion or doubt in this regard, and has labeled those medical reports or medical examinations as distorted and totally wrong. So what do you think in this regard, that has the sister of former prime minister of Pakistan, Alima Khan, turned herself into a dictator within Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf? What was the purpose of negating the surveillance of Mr. Gohar Ali Khan that was being ensured and being proposed by the governmental and jailed authorities? And why do you think that Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf and the family of former prime minister has labeled the information fully distorted and wrong, even when the transparency is being ensured, when surveillance of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf family is being asked for, and the detailed examination is being put forth in the form of facts and figures? What do you think about these questions? Do tell us in the comment section.